Hello and welcome to Agilemania. If you clicked on this video, then chances are you're likely to be a professional Scrum Master aspirant. And if you're like everyone else, you would want to know what is PSM and how to pass the certification exam. Here's a beginner's guide to PSM. Pay close attention to the tips to pass the PSM certification exam. What is PSM? PSM refers to the Professional Scrum Master accredited to Scrum.org. It's a certification course that teaches professional Scrum and the role of a Scrum Master. You'll learn professional Scrum through a blend of exercises and discussions, focusing on the fundamental principles of Scrum and Agile mindset, while learning the successful Scrum practices applied by successful teams. The Professional Scrum Master training is a 2-day actionable certification training, where attendees like yourself will explore the principles of Agile and Scrum to know how to apply Scrum in their respective organizations and teams. The training gets conducted by professional Scrum trainers, who will be teaching from their vast experience as Scrum Masters. Who should attend the PSM training? The PSM training has no hard and fast prerequisites. Individuals who want to pursue a career as a Scrum Master are welcome to apply. The doors are also open to Scrum Masters, Agile and Scrum coaches who wish to improve their application of Scrum. Ultimately, everyone involved in product delivery using Scrum can enroll as well. Study approach to PSM exam. For absolute beginners, it's essential to refer to the Scrum Guide to understand Scrum. Next, read books, blogs, and take up Agile courses that cover various Agile methodologies. Once you are familiar with the Scrum framework, you can take the free PSM Agilemania assessment. Take as many attempts as you like till you clear it. Then, clarify your doubts by participating in discussions on Scrum.org. Why Agilemania is popular for PSM training. Agilemania, founded as a platform for a small yet passionate group of like-minded Agilists, has grown phenomenally. As a result, its name is becoming a verb for Agile consulting, training, and advisory services in South and Southeast Asia. Agilemania was never built to be a mundane consulting or services company, but with a vision to serve as an abode for staunch and skilled practitioners with diverse experience and a hawk-eye focus on helping organizations achieve hyper-performance. Agilemania's recognition by globally recognized Agile bodies is a testimony to their disciplined investment in time and effort in sharpening their craft to help and serve their clientele better. Expert tips to pass the PSM certification exam. Have a high-speed internet connection. It's a must to have a stable high-speed internet connection because it may slow you down during the exam and undo all the hard work. Read all the questions carefully. The exam consists of multiple-choice questions, multiple-answer questions, and true or false questions. Read and understand every question carefully. Choose the most convenient time slot. The duration of the PSM exam is 60 minutes. Therefore, choosing a time slot where you don't have commitments will help you attend the exam in a calm and composed state of mind. Answer the easy questions first. Answer the questions that you know the answers to. Don't waste time on tough questions and instead attend them in the end. Revise the Scrum Guide and brush up Scrum Glossary thoroughly. Read the Scrum Guide and learn the Scrum Glossary before you attempt the exam. Both of these are essential resources to learning Scrum. Stop spending too much time on a single question. Spending too much time on a single question lessens your chances of finishing the exam on time. Beware of the word tricks. Read and understand the words and questions carefully. The use of synonyms can confuse you. For instance, participate and attend, could and should. Refer only credible sources. There is a lot of information on the internet, but only less than half of it is credible. Scrum.org is the most credible resource for PSM certification training and exam. And that brings us to the end of the video. Shoot your queries or opinions in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay connected. Until next time.